Before you enter any trade, you must first learn how to read the chart. In this video, I'm going to show you how exactly I analyze the market step by step. We have a bearish downtrend here. When the market is bearish, it is going down. And in this case, it will be creating lower low and lower highs. Lower low and lower highs. And here we have a bearish downtrend because it is going down, creating lower low and lower highs. So guys, this is a bearish downtrend because this is lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and lower low. So in this type of market, we only want to look for sell positions. We don't buy when the price is going down. We only want to look for sell positions. And this is when you mark up your support and resistance levels, trend lines, supply and demand zone. But when the price is going down, creating lower low and lower highs, we only want to look for sell positions. And in this case, we want to mark up our key resistance level. Why? Because when the price is going down, we only want to sell. We don't buy. So you can mark up your key resistance level. We have a key resistance level here. Yes, here. And look here, guys. The price came down, went up, came down again, went up again, and then went down straight. So this was a strong key resistance level. So here, if you wanted to sell, you could have entered around here. Yeah, you could have entered around here and you target the next key support or resistance level. Yeah, that's how we do it in the bearish downtrend, of course. That's how we do it. So the price continued to go down, creating lower low and lower high and lower highs. Let me show you here. This is lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Then the price went up and broken through this last lower high. So when this happens, we know for the fact that price is now going up. The bearish downtrend has ended and now we are going in a bullish uptrend. The bullish uptrend, the price will be creating higher highs and higher low. Yes, higher highs and higher low. So this was the last lower high. This was the last lower high. But since price has already broken through it, the trend direction has changed from bearish to bullish, and now we want to look for buy positions only because the trend direction has changed. We want to look, but where do we exactly enter at? We enter at the key support or resistance level. Now here we have a key resistance level. Yes, we have a key resistance level, and the price went up and broken through our key resistance level. This means we want to get prepared to look for buy positions. Yes, look here, guys. The price came down, it came down to retest our key resistance level. But when the price break any key level, the key level become vice versa. Like when it was a key resistance level, it becomes a key support level. Now, this was a key resistance level, but since price has broken through it, it has become a key support level. And now we want to buy at this key support level. The price came down and retested our key support level, and later it went up. So here we want to look for buy positions, but we don't enter immediately when the price retests our key level. We want to see momentum first before we enter any trade. So here we don't enter because the price is just consolidating. But where do we enter? At around here. So we want to be patient to wait for price to give us the real direction. So you can be patient here to wait. Be patient to wait. Then around here you can enter and press your stop loss below, because when we look closely, we have another key support level here. Yes, and here we have got momentum, bullish momentum, that tells us that price is going up. So you can enter here and target this. There is this key resistance level here. Yeah, exactly, that's where we have placed our TP. Yeah, that's how we do it. But let me show you the very, very dangerous market that we never want to trade. So the price here was going up, creating higher highs and higher lows. Higher highs, let me show you. Higher high, higher low. Higher high, higher low, higher high. But when the price reached here, it started consolidating. This is a consolidation I'm talking about, guys. This. So this is where all your losses, rather most of them, happens. So whenever you see this type of market, do not trade for the day. Wait for the next day, because you will only lose money. You will never make money in this type of market. So when you see any consolidation on your chart, just stay out of the market. Yeah, we don't trade this type of market because it is not a downtrend, it is not an uptrend. It is just going sideways. So stay out of the market when you see this type of price. Yeah, you want to wait for price to show you a clear direction, either uptrend or downtrend. So here is an uptrend. The price is going up, creating higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and higher high. And we want to look for buy positions because the price is going up, creating higher highs and higher low. So we have a key support level here. Here it was a key resistance level, but since price has already broken through this key resistance level and it is in an uptrend, we want to look for buy setups. So what do? We want to wait for price to come back to retest our key support level. We enter only after getting confirmation. The confirmation is the bullish momentum, the very big candlestick that tells us that price is going up. Now let us wait for price to do so. Now the price has reached our key support level. We don't enter because we don't have any confirmation, the momentum to tell us that price is now going back up. So always be patient to wait. Now this is the confirmation we have been waiting for, because this is the very big candlestick that shows us that now price is going up. So you can even either go down to the lower time frame, which is 15 minutes time frame, and take the trade. So here you enter, you press your stop loss below your key level and your take profit. There is a key level here, or you can even press it higher. You can press it higher. Yeah, you can press it higher, like let us 3, like 3R. Let us wait and see. Will it? There we go. There we go. Trading is not about entering quickly. It's about understanding and then acting. If you learn how to read the chart, you will stop guessing and start trading with purpose. Always trade with discipline. See you in the next video.